Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I am Rini Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. And also, we're adding something new, a daily AI tool or tip to help you work smarter and live more efficiently in this digital age. So our lead story today is about Tesla Model Y launched in India for Runners 15 89 lakh. Before we move on to the headlines, like, share and subscribe to the channel for all tech updates. Meta deletes 10 million fake accounts to protect original creators. Meta has launched a major crackdown on fake and copy-paste content creators, removing around 10 million impersonating profiles and 500,000 spammy accounts from Facebook. Aimed at promoting originality, the initiative targets accounts recycling content without permission or meaningful edits. Meta plans to reduce the reach of such accounts and revoke monetization privileges for repeat offenders. The platform is also testing attribution tools to credit original creators and demote duplicates. With new guidelines and tools, Meta aims to foster authentic storytelling while gradually rolling out changes to help genuine creators adapt and thrive in a cleaner, fairer content ecosystem. Nvidia to resume H20 GPU sales in China, launches compliant AI chip. Nvidia will restart sales of its H20 AI chip in China after receiving assurances of US government licensing. Originally banned under 2023 export restrictions, the H20 was Nvidia's most advanced chip allowed in China before the halt, costing the firm $5.5 billion in write-offs. To comply with US regulations, Nvidia also unveiled the RTX Pro GPU, tailored for China and suited for smart factories and logistics. As US South China China tech tensions ease, Nvidia aims to strengthen its presence with lower-cost compliant models while promoting AI collaboration. CEO Jensen Huang is set to visit Beijing this week for further talks. Anthropic has expanded its AI chatbot Claude's capabilities by introducing new integrations with popular platforms like Notion, Canva, Stripe, Figma, and others. Using its Model Context Protocol, MCP, Claude can now act as an autonomous AI agent to complete tasks such as designing posts in Canva or editing documents in Notion. These integrations are accessible via the new connectors directory within Claude's web and desktop apps. The feature is currently available to users on Claude's Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans, enabling seamless task execution across apps through simple prompts. WhatsApp has introduced a new AI-powered support chat for iOS users, offering direct assistance through an official Meta-verified support channel, accessible via settings. Again, help. Contact us. The feature provides instant AI-generated replies to user queries and issues, with each message marked by a Meta AI indicator. Users can also share screenshots and receive automated responses with a support ticket number assigned. While human intervention is possible, support staff only step in if deemed necessary. Currently rolling out on iOS, the feature is also being tested on Android and will be available more widely in the coming weeks. WhatsApp. Google's AI-powered research tool, NotebookLM, has introduced featured notebooks to help students and professionals explore topics like Shakespeare, parenting, and wellness. Integrated with Google Gemini, NotebookLM can process data from PDFs, docs, sheets, websites, and videos, simplifying information through summaries, mind maps, and even AI-hosted podcasts. Users can now access expertly curated notebooks and share their own via public URLs. Google has officially confirmed plans to merge Android and ChromeOS into a single unified platform. Samir Samad, president of Android ecosystem, revealed the shift in a TechRadar interview, marking a major strategic change after years of speculation. ChromeOS will now lean on the Android software stack with features like desktop mode, resizable windows, and improved display support already emerging. The merger promises faster updates, tighter integration, and better tablet experiences to rival Apple's iPadOS. Google aims to streamline its ecosystem across phones, tablets, and laptops, a long-awaited move previously hinted at through projects like Andromeda. Today's featured AI tool is Notion AI, an intelligent assistant built directly into the Notion workspace. It's designed to streamline your productivity by helping you write faster, organize smarter, and think more clearly. Whether you're drafting a blog post, summarizing meeting notes, generating to-do lists, or translating content, Notion AI can handle it with ease. It offers contextual suggestions and automation features that save time and effort, all without switching apps. From students to professionals, anyone can benefit from its ability to turn rough ideas into polished text, simplify complex notes, and keep your workflow seamless and efficient. Today, our lead story today is about Tesla Model Y launched in India for Rs 59.89 lakh. Tesla has officially entered the Indian market by opening its first showroom in Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex. The company also set up a nearby service center and warehouse to support after-sales operations. The debut model, the imported Model Y, is priced at Rs 59.89 lakh for the RWD variant and Rs 67.89 lakh for the long-range version. Offering up to 622 km of range, the luxury electric SUV features advanced safety systems, dual touchscreens, heated and ventilated seats, and a minimalist yet premium interior. Due to high import duties, the Model Y's pricing in India is nearly double its US counterpart. However, Tesla is reportedly considering local assembly in the future, which could significantly reduce costs. Buyers can choose from 6 color options and multiple interior trims, with add-on features like enhanced autopilot and full self-driving capabilities expected later. Financing options start at monthly EMIs of around Rs 1.14 lakh. And that's a wrap on today's Tech Bulletin. I'm Rini Gupta, and this is IT Voice, where we break down tech minus the jargon. Don't forget to like, follow, and share if you found this helpful. And I'll see you tomorrow with more tech stories, updates, and your daily AI tool. Until then, stay curious and stay connected.